Stop!
Come on there, Sean White.
Woo! Yeah! How about that one?
I don't know if I can talk that.
Oh, that's scary. You're younger, it don't matter. But
When I was younger, I used to be able to hold on to the bottom. Go down and down the ends on the biggest skills ever.
alright, let me try to give myself a little bit of a push. Boost. And do that.
Zach, can I play?
How about that flip?
Luke wants it.
I almost had that flip. Were you videotaping me? Don't put that on
Yeah, she was
YouTube.
waiting for you to flip it so you could put it on YouTube.
Don't wait, don't do that. Please don't.
Come on, move.
Sit on top of the roof.
Luke, you'll have to take your fishing pole now. Fish it. That's a nice one.
Yeah, don't go into the water this time.
I'm going to throw it right in the water.
And don't let Brandon fish it out. Like we did at camping.
Yeah.
That one. It was nothing but a fish.
So what school do you boys go to?
Beaver Falls.